Next is distance formula. बच्चों, like here you have already seen distance of a point. Look at here, distance of a point from x-axis or y-axis. That time we will find perpendicular distance. Are you clear? So whenever question is given, there is a point. What is the distance from x-axis? What is the distance from y-axis? That time we will find perpendicular distance. But question, if it is asking instead of any point on axis, if it is on a plane, on a quadrant, how can you find out? That is the question. Okay, so in general, if 2 points are there on Cartesian plane, how to find the distance between them, we are going to discuss right now, and we will find a formula for that. Okay, clear? What is the distance formula? Distance formula is used. Why? Where it is used? Look at here. Distance formula is used to find the distance between 2 points in a coordinate plane. In a coordinate plane, wherever you will take 2 points, you can find out. Okay, right? So like here, you know, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here, we will take this is A and B. Here, how can we calculate? That is the question right now. Through perpendicular distance, we cannot find out. Okay, so for that, we have to what? Use which formula? Distance formula. We have to use distance formula. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, ready? All. So let us discuss now what is distance formula. We will discuss here right now. Distance formula. See now, this is which axis? Okay, clear? Yeah, done. Oh yeah. Okay, bachcho. Is it the middle part? Right? Yeah. Now check. Like we were taking basically x dash. This is y dash. Okay. Like we are taking the points, bachcho. This is what origin. So 1, 2, 3. Like we are taking or not. Similarly, let me take this is what x1. This is how much? X1. This is what? X2. And here, bachcho, I can take y1. This is how much? Y2. This is y2. That means the point which will comes at this space particularly. What is the coordinate of this point? Let me check. This point name is bachcho P, whose coordinate is x1, y1. Is that clear, everyone? Bolo. Clear again? Take. Okay. Another point I'm taking bachcho at this point, which is Q, which is how much? What is the coordinate? X2, y. Got it, everyone? Now we will find out distance between them. Distance between these 2 points. Check karo. This is the distance, right? We will find this distance. For that, what we have to do? We have to draw the perpendicular. We have to draw the perpendicular from P to x-axis and Q to which axis? X-axis also. Perpendicular. Clear? Similarly, who can say what is the length of the point P from x-axis? Means this length is y1. Similarly, what is the length of this point? y2. Got it, everyone? Got it? Check it. Chalo. Again, we are going to draw a perpendicular from P to which axis? P to which axis? Bolo. Y axis. Okay, chalo. Draw. So now, bachcho, from P to y-axis I have drawn. This is point P, y-axis. Here, what is the length of this one? This is the length of x1. Similarly, what is the length of, let us this point PQR. This point is R. What is coordinate of R? Who can say? X2, y1, x2, y1. So therefore, what is the distance of R from y-axis? R from y-axis, how much? X2. Is that clear? Means, bachcho, this length is how much? Is not it? Got it? So therefore, what is the length of RP? PR length क्या है? PR का length क्या है? What is the length of PR? What is the length of PR? बोलो, PR length क्या है? X2. Is that clear? Understood everyone? है कि नहीं? अरे समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? हाँ. Now, what is the length of Q from x-axis? Point Q from x-axis. अरे बोलो, Q from x-axis बच्चों कितना है? y2. Whole length is y2. And what is the length of R from x-axis? Right? Let me draw. This length is how much? ओए क्या कर लिया? हाँ ठीक है. Done. This length is how much? कितना है? बोलो y2. ठीक है कि नहीं? And this one is how much? y1. So therefore, what is the length of RQ? RQ, RQ. बोलो RQ क्या है? y2 minus, let us write which value बच्चों? RQ. RQ is equals to y2 minus how much? y1. Is that clear now? This point is y2 minus this length. Okay. Similarly, this length is how much? x2 minus x1. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? You are sitting in a what hierarchy or what? So both these lines have same number of students, then less. Okay, chalo. Now see, everyone, you have seen we got which value? PR. PR value क्या है? We have got RQ. RQ is how much? So this PQR is a which type of triangle? Tell me. It is a which type of triangle? It is a right angle triangle, na? In right angle triangle, if the sides known, right? And these two, you know, this is one is known as perpendicular, other one is base. If this is base, this is perpendicular. Base perpendicular. Now this is what? How can we find out? And this length of hypotenuse gives us the distance between P and Q, right? So tell me, what is the length of PQ from PQR triangle? From PQR triangle, bolo. From PQR triangle. In triangle PQR, you know angle R is how much, bacho? 90 degree. Yes or no? Therefore, PR square plus RQ square equals to how much? बोलो, वे बोलो, PQ square है कि नहीं? So, but बच्चों, we need PQ. We need what is PQ? PQ equals to square root of PR square plus RQ square. Right or not? ठीक. चलो बच्चों, this implies PQ. PQ equals to what? Square root of टी आर वैल्यू क्या x2 माइनस x1 स्क्वायर प्लस गॉट इट एवरीवन क्लियर है कि नहीं एंड दिस इज known as your which formula distance formula distance formula ठीक है क्लियर एवरीवन है कि नहीं चलो लिख दो हेडिंग लिखो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला हेडिंग लिखो हाँ डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला ठीक है क्लियर चलो लिख दो इधर हाँ रे माँ you have to draw that EA she is asking sir EA টা করিব yes you have to do EA টা so are you clear this point is what x1 and y1 right this is what your x1 y1 huh? Online any doubt Over na. Okay, let us move to solve some question from which formula? Distance formula. Okay, let us see now, bacho. I hope everybody clear this is. So, what is distance formula? You have understood x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. You should read like this: square root of distance between PQ is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Got it? If 2 points given, you have to assume one as P, other one is Q, and P's coordinate is x1, y1, Q's coordinate is what? x2, y2. Our formula is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Is that clear? What is the formula? Bolo once again, everyone. Square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Clear, everyone? Okay, ready? Let us see. What is the question, sir? There. Chalo. Let us see. Now there is a question for you all. Okay. See the question. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Here, find the distance between the following pair of points. See, initially, whenever you are solving, try to write this is the x1, this is y1. Clear? It is what? x2, y2. Got it? Chalo, let us find the value of AB, length of AB. बच्चों find करो. मिला? ओ मिला ना रे. कितना आया? How much is getting 2? You are getting 2 units. What is the value? A. Amar. Babare. I think guys, I have discussed with you now. While finding what your square root, you should get two values. You'll get two values. Square root means plus and minus. Okay. So don't forget to write plus and minus. Okay. ठीक है? चलो. Okay. See, look at here. See now, as per the question, x1 is how much? x1 is how much? भाई x1 is कितना है? बोलो. x1 is and y1 3 and x2 4, y2 1. So our formula for finding the length of AB बच्चों, square root of. You should start from square root of. Then value बोलो. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now बच्चों चेक करो x2 क्या है? अबे बोलो जल्दी फटाफट. x2 कितना है? 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. Square root क्या है? So 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus minus 2 square. So 4 plus how much? 4. Square root of 4 plus 4. Square root of 8. So that is plus or minus square root of root 8 or 2 root. Okay. Done. Actually, though distance is asking basically distance measured in what? Positive. So therefore, we have to write only 2 root. Clear? Distance is always positive. Done. Clear, bachcho? In class 9 chapter motion, you have studied that distance is what? The total path covered. So distance is only positive. But what about displacement? Positive, negative can be zero also, right? So therefore, this is we will take in positive. But square root whenever we find, just keep in your mind to find with two values. One is plus, other one is minus, right? Then after you will choose according to your uses, right? Your distance, that's why you have to choose what plus. Done. Clear? Online? Again, understood? Pa? Done. Let us move to next question. See the question, everyone. Find look at here, everyone. Hey, look at here. Look at here, everyone. Find the point on x-axis. While teaching today, while starting the class, I said you, if a point is on x-axis, if a point on x-axis, y is 0, then what is x value? X value, something is there. That means x we will take x0. A point on x-axis means coordinate is what? X0. Understood, everyone? If a point on x-axis, point A, look at here, point on x-axis means the coordinate of that point. Point on where? X-axis means coordinate is what? X0. Are you clear? Are you clear? Which is this x0 is equidistant from these 2 points. Is equidistant from these 2 points. It means let us this point is where on x-axis whose coordinate is x0. This point. And these 2 points, check karo. I know these two are in different quadrant. Different quadrant. Why? This is in which quadrant? You know now this is 2 minus 5 is in fourth quadrant, this is in second quadrant, in different quadrant. So I am not drawing like in quadrant, but I wanted to show you in such a way this two are, let us, this point is P, this is A, this is B, means PA equals to PB, PA equals to PB. इसका मतलब बच्चों A कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? So it means AP length is equals to PB length. PA length equals to PB length. PA length equals to PB length. Why? Question is saying this point which is on x-axis, this point is equidistant from these 2 points. Clear? So we will get an equation, then after solve, and we have to find this point x0. x0 means only x required. Okay, चलो find करो. AP length कितना है फटाफट बोलो. Who can say length of AP क्या है? Length of AP is how much? बोल भूमि, tell me. Length of AP is how much? If you are confusing, sir, which one I'll take x1, x2, कुछ भी ले लो. Let us, this is x1, y1. You take this is x2, y2. Got it? Clear for FP. Similarly for PB, you take this is x2, y2. Or this is take you take x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Are you getting? Okay, you tell me right now what is for PA, what is the length of FP? You should write x2 minus x1 whole square plus, bus. Don't forget to write, always write, start from the formula. Then you will get a errorless solution. Your solution will become errorless. Clear? Chalo, bolo. Okay, tell me, x2 is which one? Yeah, be confident. You answer. I said you this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x2 is x, right? So x minus how much? Bol. X minus 2 whole square. First you have to write square root, put the square root. Okay, then next. plus y2 is 0 minus minus 5, right? Whole square. Yeah, बोल वैल्यू क्या? Oh, you want to simplify? Okay, x square y minus 4. Okay, x square minus means a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 2 plus b square. Done. Okay, here plus how much? 0 minus minus 5 is plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. It's on the square root. So therefore, बच्चों ये क्या है? X square minus how much? 4x plus 4 plus 25 कितना है? Under square root. Boss, this is AP. This is, got it. Similarly, what we will find? Bolo, which one we will find? We will find P. Where? Look at here. PB. बच्चों PB का लेंथ क्या है? बोलो. Square root of same will write x2. So already you have chosen this is x2 y2. x2 y2. So hence x1 y1 is which one? For PB, this is x1 y1. चलो बोलो क्या? X minus minus 2. X minus minus 2 is how much? X plus 2. है कि नहीं? X plus 2 whole square plus बोलो 0 minus 9 y2 minus y1 है कि नहीं? So that is 0 minus 9 बच्चों. 0 minus 9 is how much? Minus 9 whole square. So therefore this is x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 9 minus 9 square कितना है? 81. Understood? And we have to use square root. So now tell me x square plus 4x to square root of square root of x square plus 4x plus 85. Is that clear? But क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है बच्चों? PB इक्वल्स टू AP. ये दोनों इक्वल है कि नहीं? ये दोनों इक्वल है कि नहीं? बोलो. अबे दोनों इक्वल है नहीं? So what we can write now? According to question, बोलो. According to question, AP equals to PB. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Take. Now look at here one thing. Bacho, if I'm writing now, if AP equals to PB, if I'm writing bacho, square root of P equals to square root of Q, what does it mean? Square root of P equals to square root of Q, what does it mean? Is it equals to P equals to Q? Though square root is there, I can squaring both sides. I can squaring both sides. Got it? So therefore, bacho, AP value we will put. What is that? Square root of x square minus 4x plus 29. Square root is there. And PV value क्या है? PV value क्या है? बोलो. No, square root of. You should read from square root. Square root plus 4x plus 8. Now, but to check in both sides, which one is there? Which one is there? Arre bolo. Square root is there, square root. So we can remove. How? By squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. When you can squaring? Where the square root is under whole expression in both sides. check करो whole expressions, square root under whole expression here, that's why we can square it. Got it everyone? Everyone online समझ में आ गया ना? चलो, this implies बच्चों, ए बाबू, come on, now you are growing higher and higher. Yes, look at here, look at here, look at here. This square root, while squaring, it will be removed. What we will get? X square minus 4x plus 29. Here x square plus 4x plus 85. But the square x square root are now removed. What can you say? Both sides it is same value. It will be cancelled. So cancel, cancel, done. No, 4x we can cancel. We're having different sign. Different sign, same magnitude. When can we cancel? When both are on same side. But when different side, different sign, different side, different sign, same magnitude, you cannot change it. Got it? So what you have to do? You have to bring this 4x to left hand side. It is minus 4x. Whenever you bring, it will become minus 4x. Minus 4x equals to plus 85 minus 29. Hence, minus 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 8x equals to 56. So x equals to 56 all divided by minus 8. So x equals to minus 7. Got it everyone? Now question is asking find the point. Point kya hai? What we have assumed the point? X0. Therefore the point is minus 7. Bacho, clear or not? Who can say minus 70 will lies on which quadrant? Quadrant. Do you think it will lies on quadrant? It will not lies on quadrant. It will lie on where? Why? Why? You know already given question. Question given already. Point on x-axis. Okay. Very good. Though y is 0, so hence it is lies on where? On y, not it is on x-axis. Though y coordinate 0, so point definitely will not lie on any quadrant. It will lie on where? Axis. Why x-axis? Because y is 0. Okay. Done. Everyone. Chalo, solve kar do. Online. Clear na? Bolo. If doubt, tell me. Who is having doubt? Raise your hand. No doubt. Chalo, solve kar do.